most trustless name in news.
Well, the markets are getting a bit silly. Protocols and projects developing real-world solutions that will change the way finance works forever are getting overlooked, and meme coins are in the spotlight. You can be silly and chase meme coin pump and dumps, or you can be real and focus on what's going to change the world of finance. So, this is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up and have a bunch of meme coins in your pocket. You take the red pill, you find out what's real, and I'll show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Remember, all I'm offering is the truth and nothing more, because it's time for Chico Crypto. Yes, indeed, Neo, the markets are getting a bit silly McWilly. If you check out CoinGecko's top 100, meme coins are on the move. There's only one meme coin I recommend, and that is the OG meme coin Dogecoin, which is in the top 10. It's number 10. But then after that, in the spot 11 is the copycat Shiba Inu. But then continuing, we have Pepe at number 48, Bonk at number 62, Dog with Hat at number 69, and finally Flocky at number 83. Why do I think things are getting a little bit out of hand with meme coins? Well, things that do nothing. Literally, Dog with Hat is just a dog with a hat, nothing more. Does literally nothing and provides no true value beyond pure speculation. And Dog with Hat has a market cap of over $1.7 billion by itself. This means this coin, which promises to do nothing, has a market cap that is 3 times larger than Spirit Airlines, a fucking real airline. Something with real-world cash flow, real-world assets, and more.
Just swipe it above your head there in the credit card slot.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Pretty wild, right? Well, things get even more wild when you dive deep into the crypto markets. What do I mean? Well, combined, these 6 meme coins, Doge, Shiba, Pepe, Bonk, Whiff, and Floki, those in the top 100, have a market cap combined of over $48.4 billion. If you didn't know, there is a sector of crypto that is going to change the freaking game. It's going to flip finance on its head. It's going to bring in trillions upon trillions of dollars into the crypto markets. And that is real-world asset cryptos, RWAs. There is not a single true 100% RWA altcoin in the top 100 on CoinGecko. And guess how much the entire sector of RWA altcoins is worth? Every single one of the altcoins combined. Just 4.1 billion. Yeah, just 6 meme coins are worth 11 times what the entire RWA sector is worth. Something is out of balance. Something is not right. But I have a feeling things are going to change this bull cycle as it continues. The real is going to take over, which you have proof from what's the true driver behind this crypto bull run. Real world uses of crypto assets, aka spot ETFs. There is one semi-RWA altcoin, an RWA infrastructure coin that is in the top 100, and that is CHAINLINK, which is my #1 hodl. Why do I hold CHAINLINK? Well, that goes without saying, because the founder of CHAINLINK, Sergey, has talked about what CHAINLINK is going to do, what CHAINLINK is going to do for the future of finance. Let's listen in now.
So I think we're going towards a world where the Bitcoin ETF will kick off this realization. But once people realize how much potential and how much power there is between the interaction of capital markets with blockchain technology, public chain technology, the public kind of user base, then we'll see, in my opinion, a large acceleration. Initially with more ETFs, and then eventually with more and more bespoke blockchain-based products. Initially, I think those products will take the form of what are called RWAs, real-world assets.
How much will RWA altcoins and beyond bring into the crypto markets? Well, Sergey has said this before.
And what this does is it reduces the friction for banks, asset managers, CSDs, exchanges that power and hold trillions of dollars to integrate with blockchains. And the reason that's important is because the net value that can flow from those places is in the hundreds of trillions of dollars.
It will begin with trillions, but eventually will reach the likes of hundreds of trillions of dollars. But who is a true 100% RWA altcoin tokenizing real-world assets that could be one of the first to capture the first trillion and, in my opinion, break into the top 100 coins? Well, this one I covered late last year, nearly 5 months ago, and that is ONDO Finance, who is slowly but surely becoming the leader in the RWA space. As we can see, ONDO has pulled a 5x in the time since I talked about it, going from just a penny per token to nearly 6 cents today. Let me tell you though, I do not see ONDO slowing down anytime soon. Why? Well, ONDO just released something special, ONDO Global Markets, a platform to bring all publicly traded securities on-chain with native access to traditional securities exchange liquidity. What does this mean? Well, traditional securities and their liquidity are going to be able to interact with DeFi very soon. This was explained by the president and COO of ONDO, Justin Schmidt, at ETH Denver. Let's listen in.
So we announced something called ONDO Global Markets, or ONDO GM. And the point there really is to think about what it takes to bring the next 1,000 public liquid securities on chain in a fashion that actually makes them compatible with these DeFi protocols. This is a developer conference, so I'm going to use some developer analogies. I think of it like we are connecting API keys where you're interacting with a broker-dealer to actual smart contracts. And one way we want to do this is basically thinking about fractionalizing your API key and allowing that via assets actually held at a broker-dealer to interface with the cool different DeFi machinery that people in this room, people in this panel are making.
That is big. That is going to push ONDO without a doubt in my mind into the top 100 coins. But ONDO is pushing into the higher cap region. What about some lower cap RWA coins? Well, one that is catching my attention lately is a much lower cap. That is POLYTRADE. As we can see, POLYTRADE is ranked number 958 on CoinGecko with a market cap of just over 27 million. Why do I like POLYTRADE? Well, POLYTRADE makes trading RWAs easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
With an interface that is friendly to people like you and me. You can easily tokenize real-world assets that range to traditional finance ones like T-bills, equities, stablecoins, and more, but you can also tokenize real-world assets like Pokemon cards or sports cards. Also, their RWA marketplace focuses on the aggregation of RWA assets into one place, which has never been done before. They also created their own token standard, ERC 6960, which allows the fractionalization of RWA assets. POLYTRADE is going multi-chain too. I'm sure you could grip that they were on Polygon first from their name POLYTRADE, but they are moving to the multi-chain world. A J Trades on X tweeted this last week. They said, POLYTRADE announced its deployment on Arbitrum, in the process partnering with OpenEden. OpenEden has a 5% market share of all tokenized public securities. But their partnerships do not stop with OpenEden. From this tweet, we can see they are partnered with MasterCard, becoming one of the 6 blockchain companies joining their Start Path program. Their tweet thread about this says, the Global Startup Engagement Program from MasterCard aims to scale innovation and simplify the movement of decentralized financial assets. POLYTRADE has joined forces with them to expand the use of blockchain and bring RWAs to institutions. POLYTRADE was also one of the participants at the MasterCard Multi-Token Network Innovation Sprint in London, alongside 13 banks and crypto fintechs, 2 top large corporates. We showcased POLYTRADE's value to more than 50 leaders in one place. I wonder who one of these leaders was. What about JP Morgan? Because the founder of POLYTRADE, Piyush Gupta, has been quoted saying, nothing official yet, working closely with JPM team on a couple of projects and 2 other banks. Can't disclose as confidential agreements signed. POLYTRADE has big things brewing, but another reason I like them, they have their tentacles deep in the RWA space. They are partnered with all the big players, those with much higher market caps. From this article, we can see they are partnered with the likes of ONDO Finance, OpenEdom, Goldfinch Finance, 4K, Swarm Markets, Pine, Teller, Clearpool, Maple Finance, and others. But big names in the RWA space. So Neo, what do you think? Have you broken out of the Memecoin matrix? Are you ready for the future to be changed by RWAs? Well, follow me on the path to real, because the fake will eventually bring you to your knees. Cheers. I'll see you next time.
The most trustless name in news.